Have you ever stopped to think about your last name? It's more than just a label. It's a whisper from your ancestors, a thread connecting you to generations past. But what if the very technology we embrace, artificial intelligence, could inadvertently unravel that thread, erasing not just names, but entire family histories? Imagine a world where the digital archives, the vast repositories of human history, are curated not just by human hands, but by complex algorithms. This isn't science fiction, it's our rapidly approaching reality. The article, The Last Name, When AI Erases Family Histories, delves into a chilling possibility: how AI, with all its power and potential, might inadvertently or even systematically obscure, misrepresent, or outright delete crucial pieces of our personal and collective heritage. This isn't about a malicious AI trying to rewrite history. It's about the subtle, often unintended consequences of how AI learns, processes, and presents information. It's about the biases embedded in the data it consumes, the assumptions it makes, and the efficiency it prioritizes, sometimes at the cost of nuance and individual identity. The idea of AI erasing history might sound dramatic, but let's break down the mechanisms. It's not a single, catastrophic event, but a series of subtle shifts that, over time, could lead to significant loss. Understanding these pathways is crucial to safeguarding our past. AI systems learn from data. If the historical data fed into these systems is incomplete, skewed, or lacks representation for certain groups, the AI will inevitably perpetuate and even amplify those biases. Imagine historical records predominantly featuring one demographic, while others are sparsely documented. An AI trained on this data might struggle to recognize or accurately process information about underrepresented families, effectively making them invisible. This isn't just about missing records, it's about the quality of the records. If historical documents contain errors, misspellings, or cultural misunderstandings, the AI will learn these inaccuracies. It might then propagate them across vast datasets, making it incredibly difficult to correct later. AI thrives on patterns and efficiency. To process vast amounts of information, it often simplifies complex data, categorizes, and generalizes. While efficient, this process can strip away the unique details that define individual family histories. Think about the intricate variations in naming conventions across cultures and time periods. An AI might try to standardize these, inadvertently losing the rich cultural context embedded in a specific last name or naming practice. This simplification can lead to the merging of distinct family lines or the misattribution of individuals. When an algorithm prioritizes a clean dataset, the messy, beautiful reality of human lineage can be sacrificed. The nuances that tell a family's unique story might be deemed noise and filtered out. In our increasingly privacy-conscious world, AI is often used to anonymize data, protecting individual identities. While essential for privacy, this process can inadvertently remove the very identifiers, like last names, that are crucial for genealogical research and historical preservation. How do we balance the right to privacy with the need to preserve historical connections? If historical records are heavily anonymized to protect living descendants, future generations might find it impossible to trace their lineage. The very tools designed to protect us could inadvertently sever our ties to the past. It's a delicate tightrope walk between safeguarding the present and preserving the past. Some AI systems are designed to predict missing information or correct perceived errors in data. While this can be helpful, it poses a significant risk to historical accuracy. An AI might, based on statistical likelihoods, correct a unique or unusual last name to a more common one, or infer a family connection that never existed. This correction isn't based on historical fact, but on statistical probability. It's like an AI trying to fill in the blanks of a puzzle without seeing the full picture, potentially creating a coherent but entirely fictional narrative. The danger lies in these AI-generated corrections being accepted as truth. Our digital world is constantly evolving. File formats become obsolete, software systems are no longer supported, and data can be lost or corrupted. AI systems and the vast datasets they manage are not immune to this digital decay. What happens when the AI system that holds your family's digital history becomes outdated or is no longer maintained? The very infrastructure that preserves our digital past is fragile. Without continuous migration and maintenance, the digital records processed by AI could simply vanish, taking with them the last vestiges of certain family lines. This silent erosion is a significant, often overlooked threat. Many genealogical and historical record services are now commercial enterprises, heavily leveraging AI to process and present data. While these services offer incredible access, there's a potential conflict of interest. Do commercial entities prioritize accuracy and inclusivity, or do they prioritize features that attract subscribers, even if it means simplifying or omitting complex historical details? The drive for profit could lead to a focus on easily digestible, marketable narratives, potentially sidelining the more challenging or less complete histories. If a family line is difficult to trace or requires extensive, non-standard data processing, it might be deprioritized or even ignored by commercial AI systems. One of the most challenging aspects of advanced AI is its black box nature. It can be incredibly difficult to understand why an AI made a particular decision or reached a specific conclusion. If an AI system inadvertently erases or misrepresents a family history, how do we audit its process? How do we identify the source of the error and correct it? Without transparency in AI's decision-making, rectifying errors becomes a monumental task. We might not even realize a history has been erased until it's too late, and then have no way to reconstruct the original data or understand the AI's flawed logic. You might think, this sounds like a niche problem for historians. But the erasure of family histories, even by accident, has profound implications for all of us. It strikes at the very core of who we are. Our last names, our family stories, are fundamental to our sense of identity and belonging. They connect us to a lineage, a heritage, and a community. When these connections are severed or distorted by AI, it can lead to a profound sense of loss, confusion, and disconnection. Imagine trying to understand your place in the world without knowing where you came from. This isn't just about personal curiosity, it's about psychological well-being. Knowing your roots provides a foundation, a sense of continuity that grounds you in the present. Every family history is a unique thread in the rich tapestry of human culture. Many cultures have specific naming traditions, oral histories, and unique ways of preserving lineage. If AI systems, predominantly trained on Western data, fail to recognize or accurately process these diverse forms of heritage, entire cultural narratives could be lost or homogenized. The world's diversity is its strength. If AI inadvertently flattens this diversity by erasing unique cultural naming practices or historical preservation methods, we all lose. It's a silent form of cultural erosion. History is not just a collection of facts, it's a narrative built from countless individual stories. If AI systems are inadvertently distorting or erasing these individual stories, the broader historical narrative becomes less accurate, less truthful. We risk creating a sanitized, incomplete version of the past. Future generations rely on us to preserve an accurate record of history. If the digital archives are compromised by AI's unintended consequences, how will they truly understand the past? The communities whose histories are already fragile, often due to past injustices, discrimination, or lack of documentation, are most vulnerable to AI-driven erasure. If AI perpetuates existing biases in historical records, it could further marginalize these voices, making it even harder for them to reclaim their heritage and tell their stories. This isn't just an academic concern, it's a matter of justice. For many communities, reclaiming their history is a vital part of healing and empowerment. AI must not become another barrier. What kind of historical legacy are we building for future generations? Are we creating a robust, inclusive, and accurate digital archive, or are we inadvertently allowing AI to create gaps, distortions, and silences? The decisions we make today about AI's role in preserving history will profoundly impact those who come after us. We have a responsibility to ensure that the tools we create serve humanity, not diminish it. This includes ensuring that our technological advancements don't inadvertently erase the very human stories they are meant to help us understand. This isn't a problem without solutions. It requires a multifaceted approach involving technologists, historians, ethicists, and the general public. We need to be proactive, not just reactive. We must push for AI systems that are more transparent and explainable. We need to understand how they make decisions, identify potential biases, and trace the origins of any errors. This means moving beyond the black box and developing tools and methodologies to audit AI's historical processing. If an AI system is used to process genealogical data, we should be able to ask, "Why did you make this connection?" Or, "Why was this record omitted?" and receive a clear, understandable answer. The quality of AI output is directly tied to the quality and diversity of its input data. We need to actively seek out and incorporate more diverse historical records, including oral histories, community archives, and records from marginalized groups. Furthermore, the teams developing these AI systems must be diverse, bringing a wider range of perspectives to identify and mitigate biases. Involving historians, genealogists, and community leaders in the AI development process is crucial. Their expertise can help ensure that AI respects the nuances of human history. Governments, corporations, and research institutions must develop and adhere to strong ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment, especially when dealing with sensitive historical data. These guidelines should prioritize accuracy, inclusivity, and the preservation of cultural heritage over mere efficiency or commercial gain. Ethical frameworks should include provisions for data provenance, error correction mechanisms, and accountability when AI systems cause harm, including historical erasure. AI should be a tool to augment human efforts, not replace them entirely. In the realm of history and genealogy, this means fostering strong collaboration between AI systems and human experts. AI can process vast amounts of data, but human historians and genealogists are essential for interpretation, critical analysis, and identifying the subtle nuances that AI might miss. The human element provides the necessary oversight, context, and ethical judgment that AI currently lacks. It's about leveraging AI's strengths while mitigating its weaknesses with human intelligence. The general public needs to be aware of these issues. Understanding the potential risks of AI in historical preservation empowers individuals to ask critical questions, demand better practices, and advocate for policies that protect our shared heritage. Your voice matters in shaping the future of AI. By sparking discussions like this, we raise awareness and encourage collective action. The more people understand the stakes, the more pressure there will be for responsible AI development. The conversation around AI and its impact on our past is just beginning. The article, "The Last Name: When AI Erases Family Histories," serves as a powerful warning and a call to action. It challenges us to think critically about the technologies we embrace and the legacy we wish to leave for future generations. What are your thoughts on this? Do you believe AI poses a significant threat to family histories, or do you see its potential to unlock new insights into our past? Have you ever encountered a situation where technology seemed to obscure or misrepresent historical information? Share your perspectives, your concerns, and your hopes in the comments below. Let's continue this vital discussion and work together to ensure that our last names and the stories they carry are preserved for all time. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.